Hey MATLAB beginners, welcome back to the channel. If you are learning how to visualize data and want to show multiple plots side by side, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to create multiple 2D plots arranged horizontally using MATLAB powerful subplot function. This is super helpful when comparing graphs like sine, cosine, and exponential curves all in one window. So let's get started. So we are just generating a new script. And for that, I am going to create a subplot. And in subplot, I am choosing the number of rows 1 and for number of columns 3. And firstly, I'll tell you the syntax of the subplot is subplot. Then we have total rows. Then we have total columns. And finally, we need to define the position. So we are starting our code by writing CLC clear all and close all. After that, I'm going to define my x values, that x is equals to linspace, and starting from 0 ending at 10, and I want the points 100. After that, I am going to create my first subplot. So that is of sine of x. As I'm creating a horizontal subplot, so for the horizontal, my rows would be fixed to 1, columns to 3, and then I'm going to change the positions accordingly. So subplot, number of rows 3, number of columns, number of rows 1, number of columns 3, and the position is 1. So for my first function, I am choosing y1 sine of x, and then I'm going to plot x versus y1, setting my color blue, style dash, and line width to 2. Then I'm going to define the title, that would be sin x, x label to x, y label to y. Then I want to on my grid. After that, I'm going to generate my second subplot, that would be cos of x. So for that, I'm using subplot number of rows 1, number of columns 3, and the position would be 2. So y2 is equals to cos of x. Then I'm going to plot x versus y2. Color is red, style is double dash, and setting my line width to 2. Setting my title cos of x, x label to x, y label to y, and finally I'm going to on my grids. After that, I'm going to set my third subplot, that is an exponential function, so negative of x. So subplot rows 1, column 3, and the position would be 3. So y3 is equals to exponent negative of x. Plot, setting my plot x versus y3. Color would be green, style would be dash dot. Setting my line width to 2. Title, setting the same exp and negative of x. X label X, Y label, Y, and finally I want to on the grids. Okay, after that, I want to add the main title. So for that, I am writing SG title, and for SG title, I am defining horizontal subplots of different functions. Okay, let's run it. Now we have three horizontally aligned plots, each with its own style and title. And we have a main title that is a horizontal subplots of different functions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more MATLAB tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover a vertical plots, multiple figures, or anything else in the MATLAB. Thanks for watching. Take care.